Hello there. This video is about how to access Google Meet. It's relatively straightforward. We are going to be using this. If you have any questions, we'll have kind of some group discussions for you throughout the week to kind of help you get through the poetry unit that I've designed. All right, so we'll take a look here as far as how to do that. That's relatively straightforward. Before the meeting, I will send out to you, to each individual class, I believe at this point, each individual class a code to join a meeting at a certain time. In order to access that Google Meet, you're going to need that code. And you'll have to check your email or check Schoology. I'll probably post it both places. Check email, check Schoology for that specific code. And once you have that code, at the designated time. So if it's 1 o'clock on a Wednesday, that's your designated time. Make sure that your schedule's clear and you're ready to go at that time for the online discussion, that Google Meet, that Google Chat, whatever the case may be. But then open up a new tab on Google. Make sure that you're logged into your school account. Click on your Google Apps icon here and scroll down until you find the Meet icon. Once you do that, click on Meet. All right, and you have this option here, the Join or Start a Meeting. You're going to join that meeting. You're going to hit the plus sign there and enter that code right here. Once you have that, or once you've entered that code, click Continue. You should be ready for the meeting. And we can, once in that meeting, then we can kind of discuss. Hopefully it'll work out. But if there are any problems, we can try to work on getting those resolved as far as using Google Meet. When you need, how do you respond? How do you talk? How do you mute your video? How do you mute your microphone? All that kind of stuff. It's pretty straightforward, and I'm assuming most of you are pretty tech savvy, probably more so than I am. So should have really no problem with this. All right. Anyway. That is all I have for Google Meet. Google Chat's going to be, if I remember correctly, pretty much the same. But I'll go ahead and set that video up next.